Understanding, lay an egg, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, lay an egg. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering any language, adding color and depth to our conversations. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English interactions. The phrase, lay an egg, has two primary meanings. Firstly, in its literal sense, it refers to what birds, especially hens, do when they produce eggs. However, when used idiomatically, it takes on a completely different meaning. In everyday English, to lay an egg means to fail or to perform poorly in a situation. This usage is particularly common in sports and entertainment contexts, where it describes a disappointing performance. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The idiom, lay an egg, is believed to have originated from the early 20th century in the world of theater and vaudeville. If a performer wasn't amusing or engaging, it was said that they laid an egg, drawing a parallel to a hen producing an egg, something considered mundane and unremarkable. Let's see some examples to understand how lay an egg is used. 1. In sports, the team really laid an egg in the final match. They didn't score a single goal. 2. In performance, I was so nervous during my comedy routine that I laid an egg. Not a single joke landed. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its application in everyday language. It's important to clarify that lay an egg does not refer to any physical action by a person. It's purely metaphorical and should be used to describe situations of failure or poor performance, not physical actions. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, lay an egg. Remember, idioms are a key component of fluent English usage and can really add flair to your conversations. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English interactions. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.